Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to create this amazing yet funky effect. So if you want to create it, then please stay tuned with us till the end. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we are going to select this YouTube thumbnail blank page and then going to apply a text box in it. Now after selecting text box, we are going to write in it subscribe. Also guys, if our videos add value to your creations, then do subscribe our channel. Okay, after writing it, we are going to apply this hollow effect in it. Okay, now we are just going to convert all the text in the capital letters and now going to resize it and making it little big. Now after doing this, we are going to align it in the middle of the page and then going to duplicate it. Now we are going to apply another effect in the duplication part. So I selected this lift effect. Now moving it to backward and finally going to add some color in it. I think white looks good, so I'm just going to stick to it. And now also I'm going to change the color of background to red. Now after doing this, we are going to go to Giphy section and going to search for some dance stickers. Okay, so here we have a lot of amazing dance stickers. You can select any dance sticker according to your preference. Here we have so many amazing dance stickers guys, so I'm just very confused. Okay, I think this red guy is dancing really well. So I'm just going to select this one for my project. Okay, after selecting it, I am going to resize it. And after doing that, I'm just going to move that guy forward from the backward text and keep it backward from the forward text. So then you are going to achieve this great effect. Okay, now I'm going to make it little bit bigger. Okay, now guys, I'm going to select another dance sticker for my project. So I'm going to select this small boy. Also going to select this small girl. Actually, these two are also dancing really well. So now I'm just going to align all the elements properly with each other. Okay, so I think it's done guys. So now I'm just going to download it in MP4 video format. I know this process is a little bit of time consuming, but please guys, forgive us for that. Okay, so now our post is ready. So our final post is going to look like this. Also, you can try different kinds of things in it, like this one. Actually, this project is great for kids to teach them about the alphabets, isn't it? Okay, so that's it guys for today's videos. Please share your creations with us. So we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.